G'day everyone, and thanks for popping in. Well, I'm here in Mount Gambier, and I'm joined here today with Andrew Olschwager. I'm actually joining him because I'm at his house in his lovely little bar here downstairs in the 70s style. Let me tell you, it is an awesome little joint. So thanks very much for having me, Andy. Absolute pleasure coming in and meeting you, mate, and your family and all that, and your barbies and your beers and all that sort of stuff. So I've been really looked after. But we went for a fly. We're going to go for a fly today at Mount Shank with the volcano. And we got up at, I don't know, 4ish, wasn't it? Something like that.
Yeah.
About 4 o'clock in the morning, and she was foggy as, and I've got a little bit of footage of that, which I'll probably show you now. But, we went out, we just got back actually from going down the beach and taking some more footage down there at the sunset. It was absolutely awesome. What's it like in Mount Gambier, mate, flying wise?
Oh, it's pretty good, really.
Yeah, that's great. So we'll move on to the next... No, only kidding. So where have you been around here?
I've been to Mount Shank, the Valley Lakes, the Blue Lake, and the Centenary Tower, which is all really pretty close together.
So handy, man.
Yeah. And then, well, as you said, we just got back from down Port MacDonald way.
Yeah, it was really nice down there too. On my day before, actually the day I got here, I went down to, where was it I come from? Beachport, and that's only like 60 k's away, so pretty accessible stuff from all around the place, with the beaches and all that sort of stuff. Really good, man. But I've got to thank you for having me, mate, and popping me up for a couple of nights, and it was really good
problem.
and fantastic, because we catch each other on lives and all sorts of stuff.
Yep.
And to actually catch up with people in person, it's really good, man.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
And your missus can cook a mean barbie too, so...
She's not too bad,
well,
yeah.
you want to keep that one for a while.
Yeah, I think I will.
So anyway, thank you very much. Cheers on your ears, big boy.
Cheers,
and we will go flying again, probably in the morning, maybe. Depends. I don't think I'm going to get up so early because, it has impressed me so far. If we can get some sun on this blue lake and get some footage there.
Yeah.
That'd be nice, man.
Yeah.
But anyway, thanks for popping in, everyone, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one. Ciao.
Bye.